Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a FundingPips account with Google Pay. First, create or log into your account by opening the FundingPips platform, clicking sign up or login, and then verifying your email. Next, go to the Start Challenge section and click on Get Funded or Start Challenge to begin the process. After that, choose your account by selecting the challenge type, such as 1-step, 2-step, or instant model, and then select your account size like 5K, 10K, or other available options. Now go to the checkout page by clicking Proceed to Payment. Next, select Google Pay as your payment option, or choose UPI or wallet payment if available, as Google Pay may appear under card or local payment gateways depending on your region. After that, confirm your payment method and check the available options, such as Google Pay balance or a linked debit or credit card. Now approve the payment by opening the Google Pay app and checking the payment request. Then tap Approve or Pay and confirm it using your PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. Finally, wait for confirmation. The payment is usually instant or may take a few minutes, and after that your account will be activated. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.